nyina mache ensa mamo akwa babiem mejiri se mo hoye mafemo mejiri se bia nso sada etie ya menhire na se kese nso koma anochi waba se odi apomuden ene abrabomu nsem nkomo ye beboa ye me tumpon ye abre no chi birthday wishes so eba number na that screen ase no fa na ebre bi obi di birthday bia no fa Sunday nyenye ho adwuma emfama no anopeso bia hoye asemi di kabre na aso medin de akwasi insia alpedi bedi komo tiawa bi komo tia ne eba bedi na tawaja ya body Europe People's Forum na ya kwakwahwe nkomodie ya ekoso ewola General Hospital jumedie eho anopen komo ameno ba bedi efa Ghana edisua eho biem most especially about our basic education. My mental statement be here Ghana Education Service for the Ababon tonight yemfa eni yankomo. Her statement be a Ghana Education Service for issue about your basic education. Nyema edi ekwakora emu ebiem. Make sure basic education yes. Eti Katawe every Ghana Education Service. Penny Osanye eye Stephen Kwaku Owusu acting Deputy Director General. On the track, sir, Krate. Okay. Also, reintroduction of tug of war and pillow fight in basic and second cycle schools. Second cycle, I mean, see basic, a formula, yeah, this you fa pim, a hot yana magni, a war. Katana Sibu and say, a queer from Ghana tug of war and pillow fight federation at the Krata command, GSA. On perceive a tug of war, any pillow fight. Ewo your schools mu. It's on tug of war, son of my no. And a pillow, sumye, ya did the agro bria, who the agro, on perceive a trebu your school. And on the Krata command GS, now GS4 are responding to Krata on the call. 2nd May 2023, GS for response. Reference is made to your letter dated 2nd May 2023. To the Director General, Ghana Education Service, requesting official permission to introduce the sports of tug of war and pillow fight at the pre-tertiary education level. I write to inform you that approval has been granted to your federation in that direction. We therefore entreat you to liaise with the PE and sports unit to enable you plan and organize how to roll out programs and activities for the introduction of the two sports to unearth, nurture young talent, and encourage them to participate in our district and schools without disrupting the teaching and learning periods. Accordingly, management is by this letter requesting regional directors to officially inform Metro, municipal and district directors and heads of second cycle institutions that approval has been granted for the introduction of tug of war and pillow fight in our schools. It is the expectation of management that the Federation will strictly adhere to the directives to ensure smooth and continuous running of the sports in our schools. Stephen Kwaku Owusu, Acting Deputy Director General, MGS. Eti afe niyama ne ba besua eno no. Eya de pa. Bichina me catch us sports enya de pa na sam ye nipa bonini na me nka nokore eya de pa. But you see empenisi oniyema nyina nkwa nanso nye ni nyina da. Enye niyema ni nyina da ene fata ye. Ma me mfa ko my joy online na me trust story bi my joy online. FNC sa story aso. Government to strengthen lower secondary education. Dr. Yao said, this was 2021, since June. 2021, oh. Mame fanko esrakra. Na mi ko baby mi ko ti pepe. Okay. Eti man fancy ya. See, Dr. Yao said on 6 June 2021, as mo kaye about kunye fa so ye strengthen your lower education. So, when you see that as one, okay, the education minister, Dr. Yao Sedichum, says the government is working to strengthen the lower secondary level of education as part of efforts to improve the country's educational system. Quote, So when you see that as one of the areas that we are going to focus on in the next 3+ years, this was 2021. So you are talking about 2022, 2023, 2024. In the next 3+ years, to make sure we strengthen the lower education end of things. So if high school has libraries, lower secondary must also have them. This was June 2021. Lambach, my mentor school, Davy. Yeah, a drago. My mentor, show TV, so who share live on Facebook. So, my said that me, when you know, at the mouth. I think me really, yeah. When you school down, you quite that musunya dear. You could show me tag of war. School that way. Share a 2 minutes or cast more. We are saying, Uber cassette pen for me Canada. Because pen for the gun sketch your cassette or money more men. So some of the thinking, calling more memoir. Why you want to be champion phobia? School down, you quite that team. Oh, wale, be your primary school. You could show me tag of war. Doctor, you said it. Who ye disappointment? Me Canada. Napoleon so na ya dwumani nyawa se wonya he. Hey. She school dan yan kwada tim e wo bio primary school in Wale. Oh just say school dan ko chom tag of war. Ye nye serious. Ntonyame. Da bia meka to say ku father ben so na tade wo nyina besi. She school dan ya sesa ye mofra kogum. Se ye nchiro mo ade wenya ankra school aban su. Abasuku. Who could send that type of war was at school way? Maybe at your primary school send all libraries. So far. Send no many libraries so far. Doctor Yao said it to me beside. Yet what I say how much years for I'll prove it sad way. You have a sign who contract. Kwabrania Baba did home. And to your just school dance say, but Mr. Your TV is so, your TV is mammy, but and you see any sound bio. But you don't be considered as one when you say a catchano. You don't be seen as a dream your watching more, my God, and queer or say yet to me for the catchano. She school your area. Aban school, a bit I'm so hello TV is on. Aban school. A bit of patrol to me say a bio primary school. You are wale. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia constituency. Say school we say ko tag of war. Baby o metresua de mpo ayedin. And kwada tetinua se sua de. Doctor said it wunye serious. Wunye serious. Wo do gi directors no mo nyina. Wunye serious. Someone is serious, pa na sabio, your man penny a wo ye adwuma ah. Hey. Na ya tam ye say ye ni ukwabla na sign contract. Say kwa that tag of war. Wa bra ba bia kwa na kasa kura tisua de kwa no enye. Doctor you said it you never read it on my online. 6 June 2021 and say the next 3 years here the say secondary schools enya libraries a premise benye pato say na so for menya libraries no aban schools no say na doctor you said it you and your body also sa or your education so your education who take un education start thinking way everyone the Ghana boni ben yaye e you born and penfo na born na said and ya bro you pay for me to maintain here because I do with the nipple take it that what bon self at so bet now a director general of GS and when the doctor do to when you bro wa professor free one no wait director general waiting that when you bring up professor free one no what bon this thinking GS director ya unim say she school kwada team enye wode hia untwe ho krata emye mpa ho pomasi bre se school den na edregu no yesa ko kire kwada tag of war ensa nye pillow Ekufuado. Hey! Nana do. And we have the men, hey, way. When the men no. Hey, President Kufuado. But we have the men, no. Hey, way more. I do too many education director. Way more. Woman, my yawra wo. Woman, my yawra wo to the sense. Sometimes you go ahead to even ask, what kind of thinking, bend across the way. Yeah, the curriculum for Fraba. A conference nine any. Textbooks. Ya kwadali be sunyande enye ready. 4 good years ni. Textbooks. Ya kwadali be sunyande enye ready. Adutum enye wasem. Tag of war na adwen ho. Ai, na no so hu de. Etu na potu na ya potu se yenyi na pone fa adutum dare. Se we na abaye. Ye konfinsia 9. Textbooks ye le say mo frade o schools mu enye ready. Ena no kwabana ni yi ni de ena nakafo asabo atu agu. Finding our textbook rebe kire kwada de kra no ayedin. Enye adutum how. As education minister enye wo how enye watete. Nimgwase semse na ayema Ghana. Se kwada tete nwiase suade no. Ni obetimi adwende am omo aye tag of war. What's that to me? And I'll share them. No, because so share penny side when padia, and open up that one from Magana. So share penny sa contract by Mudia, and now you want from Magana. Because Umatia British school. Or one we tag of one school down with him. Doctor Osadishum. One we tag of one on school down with him. When you are papa is school more on team, on Mutias here. Doctor Osedichum. Messi on me attack of war, school muno, as part of most sports, no, on school down with team. Who come back at now, yet Timmy Bibia and ye, as a baby, but my country say, Sergeant, I do fight, I don't pony, I don't fee, I don't turn anybody for Sergeant. He doesn't deserve to be a leader. Wabong! Call! Wabong! Kono, wabong, I'm telling you, Director General of GS, wabong totally with this one. Okra for the letters are brown, requesting for a school day and quadabet the Messiah. Unto one more, so share woman to Ugo Jedi. Ugo Shedi. Ugo Shedi. And 2nd May, much better away. A Jumuni away yo. And then 8. Now it's a barely 1 month, 6 days. Yet me approve it tag of war. Yet me for 1 month, 6 days, I'll approve it school building. Yet me for 1 month, 6 days, I'll approve it textbook celebration kwadade. Less than 1 month, 6 days, yet they approve it tag of war. See I'm watching kwada odiase. To a tag of war ni pillow ni we are. No asabetina eduana se. Ensuan petigun so a ni apon. Ni aboyas mama adutum. Say education minister papa. Wow bon papa me na me catch your doctor say adutum. For you as a sector minister, so betina se ama sabi, sa adwin fin say. Adwin tan say. Bon for adwin say. Ebe go through. Wow bon me na me catch your doctor. Wow bon. Abon check the pebi am ni bia. Doctor say adutum. Wow bon sa. Wow bon sa. Aso so hunu ni aso kwa. What no person that you know bet me a previous at time say. Near yet you so. Mama show video bi Asem wa Ghana National Education Coalition for about textbooks ya a delay. Share some video mami. Ti Asem mami eka about textbooks ya a delay ni adwuma on one kasa ye on was textbooks no. Eti e mai. Yeti mami Asem na me fa wrap up.
Unim say Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition no ya kan sem bebre afa textbooks ya enko ye ho. If you say in fear 9 na ya change curriculum. Na still our textbooks in ho CSOs ya kan ho sem bebre apart from ye neck no. Other CSOs nso aba be kan say textbooks in ho amofra no edisua ade. Na won say neck nso ye wo mensi e wo Ghana nyina nti yesuma ye regional chapters ni mo ko school mu hoko bisa ye say textbooks wo ho ana teachers ni bebre heads ni bebre confirm me say textbooks any school ni mu nti ye the pass samre no heads of school ni municipal assemblies na nkasa aba out abeka say textbooks any ho nti aban
etiba me benis what officers agum aduchumti air condition mu because aduchumba bie no ko school Ghana e mako school abrochire America abrochime mu it okọ na ye tag of war am dey say hey e dem say on school dey omuti omusua de o on school dey omuti omusua de e wo ehonom ya dem go asem say be tag of war ye be pillow fight I say e wo Ghana abran kwada team ya say abran kwada school dey omuti mu e hwiri gu omuso Obani onya de say we pa na we thinking de ne e wo fom with all due respect e wo fom nipa bi am so fast decision we bia no 77 na adwen wo fom 777 the pa adwen wo fom in Canada because to be no 777 na adwen mu sebi emu eda ho no pa enkwada esku de omutim e dwiri guo textbook se de be kire kwada de enkoye hey, enkwada ti nwiase usiwaja we nyina ho no fa attack of war Matumo yire pe Edeni akwasinsia o kire besa ato so ye the people's forum ena ebro hwe we e bai sie